Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to use your iPad as a second screen for your Mac desktop or the MacBooks. Yes, you heard it right. You can use your iPad as a second screen for all your Macs. So let's start. I have mirrored my iPad to give you a better understanding. First of all, let's have a look on the system requirements on the Apple website. So these are the compatible systems for the sidecar features. Before starting, you have to keep in mind few things. First is that the same Apple ID should be logged in on the iPad and your system, and your iCloud should be logged in with the same ID. That is very essential for that part. And second thing, your system should be connected on the same network, like the same Wi-Fi network, and the Bluetooth should be enabled on your system so to access the iPad. So on the iPad, we will enable the Wi-Fi here. And then go to settings, and here in the setting you have to move to the AirPlay and hands off. So handoff is the option, the main option to enable the iPad as a second screen for your system. We will enable this, and that's all from the iPad side. So now we will move to our system. So in the system, you have to connect to the Wi-Fi first of all, and then you have to turn on your Bluetooth. Now can you see your iPad screen here? The one thing that you have to keep in mind, if you don't see your iPad here, or you don't see this icon here, so maybe you have to see the settings, go to the general, and see if this option is enabled, allow handoff. This is the main setting on the Mac system, so it should be enabled. If it is not, just tick mark, just click on this and enable it. So then you will be able to see the option here for your iPad. If you still don't, sometime the glitch happens, so you have to restart your system and the iPad to get this done. So in the display we can see all the systems that are available as a second screen. So first, if I tab on MIUI iPad, so you can see it turned into a screen. So I can move any my file to this iPad. For example, I will select this and I will move it to the right side of my screen, and you can see it's now present in the iPad. So that's all. You can do multiple things, like you have multiple options here. As you can see, you can, if you don't want to use the iPad as a separate display, you can mirror your MacBook screen on the iPad as well. And you can also enable to show the sidebar and the touch bar if your system like the MacBook or MacBook Pro sports the touch bar. So you can display that as well in your iPad, and you can also show the sidebar, perform few functionalities, like if you want to enable the keyboard for example, so for that purpose as well. So it's up to you which option you want to choose. Hide it for the time being. You also have multiple options to enable. I will connect it again. Options to enable this screen like our iPad. So if you don't want to enable it from here, we simply can go to the settings. And here in the settings, we can select the display, and here we can find our iPad as well, or we can go to the sidecar, and here we can see all our devices. If I click on, for example, my iPad, so I will see the screen. So that's all for today. If you like the video, please don't forget to subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon. Also share it with your friends, family and colleagues, and also please do like this video. Thank you.